Here we will solve problem using angle relationships. They have asked us in this question to find the value of y so that E and F are parallel. So this and this are parallel. Now you can see this line D over here. What is the relationship between D and E? As you can see over here, it is 90 degree perpendicular. If this is perpendicular and E and F are parallel, then we know this will be perpendicular even to the other line because these both are parallel lines. They're having same slope. So now we can realize that even over here it must be perpendicular. So let us solve this now. By analyzing figure, we realize that these both are perpendicular over here as well. From the figure, line D is perpendicular to line E. Since E and F are parallel, D must be perpendicular to the line F. Now, if it is perpendicular over here, then everywhere it is 90 degrees. So what you can do is you can equate this to be 90 degrees. So 4y plus 10 is equal to 90 degrees. And now you can easily solve it. Take 10 to the other side. It will be 90 minus 10, that is 80. 80 divided by 4 will be 20. So y is 20. They have asked us to solve for y, and that is the answer. We will see one more problem over here, a real world problem. Prove lines parallel. We have to prove whether they are parallel or not. Now, to move in a straight line with maximum efficiency, rowing is, moving this oar to go front in this boat. Oars are these, which is used to go ahead. So the rowers' oars should be parallel. If they are parallel, you can go with maximum efficiency. Say not this and this. This and this must be parallel, these lines, okay? Now, refer to the given picture. Is it possible to prove that any of the oars are parallel over here and justify the answer? Now let us see. Over here, what is known? So we know this is angle measure, this is 50 degree. So what can we tell about the other angle? If this is 50 degrees, what is this angle? So now the angle forms a linear pair, right? Over here you can see it's straight line. It'll form a linear pair. So linear pair means it's supplementary. That means when you add these two angles, when you add the two angles, you must get what? 180 degrees. So how do we find this particular angle? Just subtract 50 from 180. So 180 minus 50 will give you 130 over here. Okay. So now over here it is 130. Let me write it over here. And the corresponding angle over here is how much? It is 124. Is it are the corresponding angles congruent? No. See, in this case, the angle over here is 130 and over here it's 124. The corresponding angles are not congruent, so they are not parallel. If these two angles were congruent, only then they are parallel. So over here, it is we can't prove that they are parallel. We have no clue about the other side, so we can just tell we cannot prove they are congruent because from this corresponding angles they are not congruent. So that is how we can prove. And that's it. This is a small lesson. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can anytime write in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Happy learning to you all.